Imagine onboarding new GoHighLevel clients in minutes while AI does pretty much all of the work for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system we use to make onboarding fast and easy. I'm also going to give you my AI onboarding prompt for free to make this process lightning fast. So when I say onboarding clients lightning fast with my free AI prompt, I'm telling you right now, I've never made a video on this, and this is absolutely insane. So I'm going to jump right into it. I'm not going to waste any of your time, and I'm just going to show you this exact process. I also want to let you know this prompt took a long time for me to build. It looks simple, but it is actually much trickier than it looks to actually get it to work right. And it is free right down below. You don't have to sign up with my affiliate. Anyone can have it for free right down below. So let me show you exactly how this process works. So you're going to come at a high level. You're first going to need the Ask AI feature. If you don't have this, come down to settings, come all the way down to labs and type in Ask AI. And you're going to want to toggle both of these on. As you see here, live in 20 days, live in 21 days. At the time of this video, if it's not live, do that. It might already be in your account. So we're going to come right back and then we'll be brought right here. So this is how this works very simply. We're going to take this AI prompt that we have once you get said client, okay? We're going to come right in here. We're going to copy this entire thing and we're going to paste it right in here. Now, here's where this gets really powerful, and here's where this saves you a ton of time. This prompt can work with any niche: plumbers, lawyers, electricians, HVAC, all of the above. And I've literally spent so much time to make this as fast as possible. Now, this is going to onboard clients in minutes, actually sometimes seconds, if this thing loads fast. But here's the crazy part. I have another video coming out that's going to show you how to have AI do all of the fulfillment. I'm talking everything from automations to building AI agents to building websites to building forms, calendars, like everything. I've never made videos on this. I'm telling you guys, no one else is, because this is the most advanced AI that HighLevel has. And I'm telling you, this is going to blow you away, especially if you're a beginner. You need to be using this. So if you look in here, it says create the contact, opportunity, put them in the onboard stage, invoice, send the invoice, and send them a welcome SMS. So here's what's crazy about this. What you'd have to do regularly to get this thing started is you'd have to come in opportunities, have the opportunity, create the contact, send an invoice, okay, go down to settings, create the tags, send the text message. There's a lot of stuff you're going to have to do. With this, it's all hands off. All you have to do is fill these out and you're good to go. So all we're going to do very simply is we're going to come right into name. We're going to put in the full name of the business. So we are just going to pretend, educational purposes, a Lancaster Plumbing. So we're going to do full name is going to be John Lancaster Plumbing. Okay. We're going to do email. We're going to do John123. Again, I'm just using this as a random example.com. Phone. And guys, you just fill this out just like this. Services they bought, they're going to buy SEO. The amount is going to be $497 monthly. By the way, if you have any questions, guys, drop them in the comments down below. I'll hook you up. And the date is going to be, we'll just say May 15th. And then follow-up task, which is going to be SEO services. Again, guys, you're going to see in this next video how AI does all the work for you. It's literally going to make you, it's just insane. Like, it really is insane. And then we're going to do May 17th. So now that we have this entire thing all dialed in, we're now going to click enter. Guys, by the way, if I'm going too fast, pause the video, rewatch. And if you have questions, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you like what you're seeing and you're interested in HighLevel, I have a 30-day free trial down below. So check that out as well. But let's check this out and see what it does. Awesome. Okay. It's already gone through. It says I have everything I need, blah, 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 blah. It says I'll create the contact. I'll create the opportunity. I'll create the invoice, send the invoice, tag contact, create task, and send welcome SMS. That is 7 different actions you would have to be doing manually that this exact AI agent can do right now. That is insane. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually put this to the test and see what it does and see if it does all of it. Now, again, this is a test. It's not actually going to collect money from John123 because it doesn't exist, but we're going to see how the test runs through. So all you have to do once you see it is click yes, onboard John, and it's going to go through and do this. And guys, if you're a beginner, even if you're advanced, but most importantly a beginner, you need to be utilizing things that save you time. That way you can put all of your focus into going out and selling clients on HighLevel, because at this point, you have no excuse for doing the work because AI can do most of it for you. Yo, look at that. Onboarding complete. It's gone through and did all of that fast. That's actually insane. All right, let's check it out to make sure it worked. So we're going to go through each of these and we're going to make sure it works very quickly. So first, we're going to go to contact created. Let's hop down to contacts to check. Look at that. Created John right there. Boom. I love to see that. All right, let's go down opportunity created. Let's check that out. Let's see if it did that. So we come in opportunities. Okay. Let's see. Look at that. Onboarded. Even put it in the right onboarding column. That is so legit. All right, invoice created. Let's see that. Let's go to payments. Boom, right there. We got that dialed in. I love to see that. Okay, let's do invoice sent. Okay, so we're going to come back. Contacts. We're going to go to bulk actions. We're going to come back. We're going to click the contact. Okay, perfect. So it sent the text message, even though it didn't work because it's a fake contact. Still, it sent it, which is really, really cool. Let's see invoice sent. So it's done that. tag added. Let's see, did it add the tags? Yes, it did right there. Task created. Let's come into tasks. Let's see. Look at that. That is so amazing. It did the tasks too. Welcome Master Business. It did all that. So it did all of these things in one go. It literally took like maybe 30 seconds to do that. That is insane. Do you know how long that takes manually? No joke. That's a 15, 20-minute process. Because a lot of times stuff messes up and you got to go back and you got to forth. So that's the future, guys. This is only going to keep getting better. Now, I have another video, like I said, that's going to be coming out where I literally have a master prompt. Okay, so it's kind of like this one, but way bigger, that will build an entire business between all of the AI agents. I'm telling you, no one else has a video on this. I've created this. It is absolutely insane. That way, from once you have it onboarded, you then go back and you have AI do all of the work. So the next thing you need to focus on, now that you understand onboarding as a beginner, is, well, selling local businesses. Now, I have a lot of videos. I'm even going to link a video at the end of this video. It's going to be 25 different ways to get clients, but like, this is so important. If you can't get clients, none of this makes sense. And a lot of gurus will skip over this part because it's the hardest part and they kind of want to sell you random shit. I'm not like that. Okay, I give away free stuff, and the only way I can have you win is if you actually go out and do the work. So you have to learn this. So if you're interested in going even a step further and getting some help, I have a free community right down below, and you get access to this amazing community when you sign up with my 30-day free trial of Go High Level. So if you don't like it after 30 days, you can always cancel, but check this out. You get access to my entire private community, all of my trainings, all of my client getting systems, all of my snapshots, pre-built out agents, all of my prompts, sales scripts, like everything. I have pretty much everything you could need in one spot. But most importantly, I have 7 live coaching calls you can attend for free to get all of the handholding you need. And guys, when I say free, I mean free. There's even ones with me where you can talk to me. We have calls that are help getting clients, help with sales, how to get clients advanced. It's like running ads and stuff, how to learn Go High Level, how to get help with Go High Level, setting up Go High Level systems. And we have all of these people, okay, that legitimately use Go High Level and sell it, and you get to talk to them for free. I'm telling you, there is no group like this. There is nothing better than this. This is the best community you can be a part of. And guess what? You get it for free when you use High Level under me. If you don't believe me and you're like, there's no way this guy in a robe is really, that amazing, just go down below and click the link and see all the testimonials we have. This is by far the most valuable group you'll be part of. Because here's another thing too, I just want to say, you can also message me whenever you want. But here's another thing I really want to say that's important too, is that anyone else that offers calls, they're usually with random VAs they got just to answer questions. But these are actual agency owners that can guide you through the special nuances with High Level and actually selling it. So it's much more advanced than you think. And again, all of this is free when you sign up with my 30-day free trial link down below. So thank you for watching. If you guys have questions, drop them down below. Also, grab this prompt. It's free down below. And if you want access to my entire private community, all of my bonuses, go right down below, sign up with that, and you should be good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video pop up in 2 seconds. It's going to be 25 different ways to get clients. It's very long. It's very intense, but it will help you get clients. So thanks for watching, and watch the video that pops up right now.